and welcome once again to my channel Travelloged. And here I am in my kitchen and I'm going to show you. Till then, I'm going to take the next base, that is the glycerin base, and I'm going to keep it aside. For this, you have to watch my second vlog about the soap making vlog. So do watch it and stay connected. So now the milk base is melted and I'm adding some essential oil, citrus essential oil, and giving it a good mix. And you need to remember, while it's very hot, you need to start pouring it. Add whatever colors you want and start pouring it in the molds very quickly. So the first one is the pink one, a kind of maroon shade. The next color, so you want to make the next one, the blue color, and quickly pour it in the mold. You need to always remember, while it's very hot, you need to start pouring, because it cools very quickly. Similarly, we are going to make the other soaps as well. Start adding the colors that you want and pour it in the base. After allowing it to set for a while, we start unmolding it, and here they go, the pink one, the first one, the blue one, the second one, and the other two as well. So friends, you need to remember that these soaps are not cheaper, they are expensive, because they are almost double the price of the market soaps that you buy regularly. So if you like to buy them from me, you can DM me directly on my Facebook and Instagram, and stay tuned for more vlogs. Thanks for watching me and stay tuned to my Instagram. Thank you.